Hi, this is Tech First, T for you. I'm Akawari, taking you through today's video. Today we're going to learn how to embed a link into text using Microsoft Word. Here's an example. I have a blank sheet here and I'm going to embed a link into this text I'm about to type. This is an example. I can decide to select the whole text or just one word. Right click and select link. Now make sure this is selected and then we're going to paste the link here. If you have the link in your head, you can type it here. If not, you can go to the site or wherever you have the link and then paste it, copy and paste. So you're going to find information on post. Okay. I'm going to copy this link. Copy and then go back here, paste. Now click OK. We have successfully embedded the link we just copied into this text. Now this helps to make the work clean. In another case, you could have simply just copied the link and pasted it here, but this isn't clean, so we're just going to leave it like this. In order to open this, you press Ctrl and click. There you go. How do you use this in reality? You may have a resume or a CV, something like this. This is a sample where you want to embed links to your certificates or other documents, right? So that anybody looking at your resume can easily click on the link and be taken directly to the certificate. The first question you need to ask yourself before doing this is your certificate on a cloud storage? If it's not on a cloud storage, you need to put it on a cloud storage before copying the link. I will take you through the process. For the purpose of this video, we're going to use Google Drive. Go to your browser and type drive.google.com. Okay. Now, if you already have a Google account, you definitely have a Google Drive as well. Now, all you need to do is go here and you probably need to sign in and then you can upload your certificates or other documents here. I have a few documents on my desktop. I'm just going to copy them into here. I have 2 documents here. I'm copying them. Drag and drop. You can also go to new and then you can upload through here, file upload. The upload is successful. Now you can refresh the window. Now here are the 2 files I just copied into the Google Drive. Now how do we copy? How do we copy the links? Go here to the 3 dots, click on it, and then go to share. Go to share. And then down here, make sure you change this to anyone with the link and leave it as viewer. Now you can copy the link. Link has been copied. Go back to the resume and type, you can give it a sensible name, something like, let's call it University of Tech for Us Certificates. Now I'm going to embed the link here. Right click, highlight, right click, go to link, make sure this is selected. Go down here and paste, Control V. This is the link we just copied. I'll click OK. OK. Now let's test it. Press Control and click. Okay. We've been taken directly to this first certificate. Now let's add the next one. This is the second certificate. Go here, more actions. Share. Share. Go down here and click on anyone with the link. Okay. Make sure this is set to viewer so that no one comes to edit your stuff. Go to copy link and then go back to the Word document. And we're going to paste the next link here. Let's call this sample university certificates. Highlight it, right click, and remember you can decide to highlight a part of the text. You can highlight a single word, it doesn't matter. Right click, go to link, make sure this is selected, down here, paste, Control V. Okay, now go to OK. Now let's see if this works. Press and hold Control, click. Okay. Now I've been taken to the second image. This is clearly not a certificate. I called it. I named it certificate 2. That's fine. Now, how do you turn this into a PDF document? Now, if you're going to send this to a potential employer, you do not want to send it as a Word document unless it's explicitly stated. You need to change this to a PDF document. How do you do this? Go to File, Export, create PDF XPS document. You probably won't have this if you don't have Adobe Acrobat on your computer. So go to create PDF XPS and then I'm going to select desktop. Okay, sample resume, publish. That's fine. It's here. It's right here. And as you can see, our links are still active. Right now, if I should click on any of these links, it will take me directly to the cloud storage. Beautiful. Now, in a situation where you don't have the option we just used to change the document to PDF, what do? Simply go to your web browser and type smallpdf.com. This website allows you to do a lot of things very easily and freely. Go to PDF, where to PDF. Choose the file from here, or you can just drag and drop. Now I'm going to choose it from here. Go to desktop, select it. The conversion is done and you can download from here. Download, let's check it. Let's see if the links work. Let me click on one. Wow, it works. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, consider subscribing and clicking on the notification icon to be notified anytime a new video is released.